on here, let's go. Hey, hey. Woo, come on. Come on. Come on in here, let's go. Hey. Woo, woo. Woo, come on. Woo, woo. Woo, come on. Let's go, hey. Woo, woo. Woo. Come on in here, let's go. Hey. Woo, woo. Woo. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. 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 Come on. Come on. Well, that last move took entirely too long. I think it's just getting that time of year. The grass is just not what it has been. It's dying off, and they're just not as eager to go where I want them to go. But I've got some grass left for them here in these back paddocks, and so I need them to spend at least another week back here going through these paddocks before we bring them back up towards the house. So they eventually went. Just took a little longer than normal. Stubborn this morning, I guess. Another fun thing about being out here in the morning, I just spotted 2 deer this morning. One was, pretty sure it's a buck, had a nice main beam on it, and just spotted a doe out there in the field. It's that time of year. Again, it was probably the coldest night, or maybe one of the coldest nights last night, and so deer are out moving this morning for sure. What are you doing, boy?
Climbing up this tree.
You better climb up that tree. Well, you be careful. You hear me? You hear me? Hey, you be careful. Hey, just want to tell you, we just had one of our customers from Blythewood come by the farm store today. Wonderful story about health. A couple of years ago, she had several health issues, high blood pressure among one thing that she mentioned that she talked to me about, several other things, and was being treated just normal ways through medicine. And but what changed for her was when she started eating better, when she changed what she was eating. What I know is there are so many health issues today that Americans face that can be treated by changing the way they eat. We tell everybody, we kind of joke about it. We say eat like your grandparents ate. And I think probably other people say that too. We encourage people to eat as close to the land as possible. If you need to find a farmer who's farming like we do, that's using natural means to farm, grass-based farming, then that's a good start. But eating as close to the land as possible is the way the journey towards good health starts. And so we were encouraged by her testimony, I'll call it, this morning. She's eating better now, and she's off of all her prescriptions. Her blood pressure is great, her cholesterol, all the blood work is perfect, and she's on 0 medications. And the thing was that the medication didn't fix it. Changing the way she eats is what fixed her problems. So anyway, hope that encourages you, and just thought I'd share that today. That was really good to hear from her. So thank you.
Daddy's size.
Taste that, I'm sure. Yeah, you cough.
Daddy's so hot. How do you keep these things?
Billy's been out of town, so.
Jace, is that good eating, buddy? That good, Gracie Bell?
Oh, at the beach?
They went
Last
that
Sunday.